Hey everybody, this is Fat Daddy from Fat Daddy's Finest Life Adventures, and we made that wonderful puree the other day. Hopefully you guys watching that video, and I'm gonna put it to good use today because I'm out of salsa, and I don't really like ketchup anymore because I've been making this basically black bean and corn hot ass salsa, and we use 2 serranos, a jalapeno, a couple big ass chunks of garlic there, some cilantro, and we said black beans and corn. And spice wise, of course we use, you know, cumin, black pepper. We'll get to that as I'm adding that in there, but we're gonna get after this real quick, and hopefully you guys will make this at home and enjoy it as much as I do, because I'm here to tell you that I ripped this off of Walmart because they had a black bean and corn, but it was good, but had no heat to it. So I perfected it with serranos and jalapenos. The reason I only use, you know, I don't use all serranos is for obvious reasons. 2's plenty to get your mind right when it comes to heat, and that just it's all just great texture and all this stuff. You can almost eat it like a meal, you know. It puts a lot of good things in. I mean, this came out of my garden, so I'm happy as hell about that. But gonna get after this, and let's see. Let's go. Let's check this out here. I can't believe these things sealed after I made that this puree out of it, and as I put it in there hot, and as they cooled down, they actually sealed. I mean, not in a death grip, but you heard it pop as it came off, so I was pretty impressed with that. Well, that smells good. So, I got the cilantro washed. We're gonna hack these suckers up, and one thing I will tell you is use a food processor. Use a food processor if you have one, even just like this little mini one that I have. It does a great job. But got those chopped up. Same with the garlic here. I'm not going to worry about chopping it too thin. Something else I wanted to show you. I probably won't be able to do this now, but if you got nice garlic like that and you don't want to beat it up, if you just take it, bend it back against itself, usually that'll break the seal on it, and it pops right out. And that's just like a real easy way to not piss with a bunch of garlic. But yeah, that's my easy garlic method. And then there's other times when, like, the smaller garlic doesn't work quite as well that way, but you know, no big deal. But all we're going to do is we're going to take this over the food processor. I'm gonna go ahead and move you guys. All right, so basically, wrap your cilantro down in there. Again, I've rinsed this. That's you know, you can see that's a nice handful, and I love cilantro. So some people might not like that much. I've seen a few other shows where they don't put that much in there, but I like it. And then to hold it down and to make this chop up a little bit better, that's when I'll put these around there. Put those on top. Basically to hold that stuff down, and gets a better chop on it. So we're gonna do that. Fire up old Bessie here. So they're not wanting to work today for beans. So that's what I get for trying to show off. So we'll do it manual. Now I was using chop and grind because one goes one way and one goes the other. But you can see it's fine. It's chopped up pretty fine. That's the way I like it. Alright. Alright, we're back on the block again. Alright. So I'm going to basically add half of this insanely hot stuff. We're gonna drain our corn and stuff, drain our corn and beans. And with this recipe, it's gonna fill this up. So we use half a can of corn and half a can of black beans, and man, it's tasty. We'll drain these beans and corn off. And I'm gonna dump some of them in there. Dump some of these in there. Alright. Gotta add some more. Did you hear that pop? I can't believe those things sealed up that good. Alright. That's freaking awesome. Alright. Spices. Cumin. That much. That's what I like. And salt. We already put garlic in. Put some pepper. Needless to say, if you've had a bug like I've had over the last week, you're going to want some of this, because it'll open up your head. I should have put that in the food processor, but the little chunks of onion are kind of nice, and they're not real spicy, so I just put a little bit in there like that. And you can see we're building flavor. That's all we're trying to do. Building flavor. Give this crap a stir. You see, it ain't it's not really red anymore. So, but man, a few more beans, some more corn, and some more. Oh yeah, we gotta get the rest of this out here. Put in the jalapeno serrano death mix. And boys, I'll tell you what, when you eat this stuff, it's like, say I eat this tomorrow after it sits for one night, it'll be flaming hot. But if you guys ever make homemade really hot salsa, what I find is that after it sits, it's like this right here will last me for about 2 or 3 weeks. 2 or 3 weeks, give or take. And it actually mellows out. It actually mellows out. That's like, I still can't hardly taste anything. I either survived COVID or had one hell of the nastiest cold. I haven't had a cold or anything in over 2 years because I was careful and I washed my hands. And then COVID happened and I continued to apply the same methods that I applied when I was a working musician, and made a stupid mistake. Went out to an open mic and played some music. It wasn't my open mic. I leaned forward into the mic and touched the frickin' mic with my lips, and it was all over. And again, just stupid stuff like that's getting people killed. You know, I hate to say that, but stupid shit. You go out and you do things and you don't take precautions, that's what happens. I mean, I don't know what I had, but it was nasty. You know, I'm still alive, so I did okay, but man, nasty shit. Now, woo! Oh my God. Oh, that's so hot. But it's so good. I mean, you don't eat it by itself. If you eat it with chips, you better have some sour cream, or better yet, some guacamole, which, yeah, I may give you my version of guacamole too, but anyhow, this is good stuff. Fatdaddy's Finest Life Adventures. This is how you make insane hotly salsa, and you make it for your old man or whoever, somebody that likes hot stuff. They will love you more. So, get busy living, and that's all I got for today. We'll see you.